Hey there, what if I told you that robots have taken over my job? Yeah, technically I could stop making these tutorial videos because artificial intelligence is here. Even I can compete with it. No, don't get your hopes up. A machine will never replace a human in trading. Why am I so sure? I'll share my thoughts as we trade. Today I won't use any indicators. I'll just follow the steps suggested by an AI bot. And at the end, I'll wrap up and explain why bonds won't replace live traders. Hi, I'm Nathan. I've been trading for 8 years. In the last year alone, I made 1.3 million without breaking a sweat. There are tons of self-taught traders on YouTube, but unlike them, I choose to learn from the top experts. I trained under more than a dozen top global traders, and all of this was to create the ultimate wish-fulfilling machine with my team of top-notch developers. Meet our new AI bot. That's why I started a trading school on Telegram. And even better, I have an AI that predicts market behavior. So our plan for today, we'll start with 70. Before the session, I picked up 4 main pairs for today. Adding them now. I'm using the standard settings and I'll add RSI to minimize risk. It will help identify moments when an asset has moved too high or dropped too low. Checking it now. Looks good. Setting the period to 10 and adjusting the style so everything is clear. You actually don't need to understand the charts at all. All you need to do is follow AI bot's instructions. I added the indicator just for myself because my team and I are constantly improving AI bot and I need to understand how it's making decisions. Refreshing the chart and we're all set. Now we just wait for the info from AI bot. But if you have any questions about setting up the platform or what to click, I'm always ready to help you on my Telegram channel. Don't hesitate, we're all friends here. Here's our first pair. AI bot says it's going to move down. I agree with that since you can see those strong red candles. After a small correction, it'll keep dropping. Let's double check with our indicator and hit the button. As you might have noticed, I fully agreed with AI bot. And that's not surprise, considering a team of top-tier trading experts worked on it for 9 months. We incorporated the most cutting-edge AI technology, so this AI bot now makes predictions even accurately than any trader. And here's our result, just as expected. Moving on, we've got a new message from the bot. And we've got a new pair. AI bot says the movement will be upward. You know what? I'm not even gonna check it. I'll trust it completely and see where that takes me. You're probably wondering why I trust my bot so much. We've designed it so the AI bot can analyze historical data on pairs, down to the second, covering months and even years. This lets it predict trends very accurately, where and when it's ideal to enter. Honestly, do I even need to say more? The only thing I'll add is, I'm proud of this product. Oh, AI bot just sent me the setup for the next pair. The forecast, down. Everything matches with our indicators, so without hesitation, let's go for it. It's hard to just take someone's word for it, right? That's why we host live trading sessions every day. 10 minutes before the session starts, we send out a list of assets to add to the platform, and then all you have to do is copy AI bot's moves and get your returns. Join our Telegram. Just like over 11,000 other traders, they're getting extra income and constantly sending me thank you messages. You can see it all for yourself. And again, access is still free for now. All the details are in the link below or in the pinned comment. The third session in a row with AI bot has delivered positive results. New message, new pair. Let's go. We're going down again. Pretty straightforward. After the correction, we're expecting a clear trend. If you want to see for yourself how well AI bot does its job, you already know where to find it. No luck, just pure facts. We're keeping up the pace. The prediction is down, and I agree, because as you can see, we've been inching towards the level with no pullbacks, so we're waiting for a breakthrough. The coolest part is that our AI bot is constantly evolving and learning. The more we practice, the better it performs technical analysis, and the more accurate and effective its predictions become. While we are sitting here watching this video, over 11,000 traders on my Telegram aren't missing out on what the bot offers. It analyzes thousands of factors and provides recommendations with 91.3% accuracy. You can check the proof on my Telegram to see that this is not just another fake story. Don't fall for those scams. I log all my sessions on my Telegram. Like I said, the AI is still completely free for now, so I strongly recommend you don't miss this opportunity. The link is in the description and the pinned comment. Remember where we started? Let's double check with our indicator and hit the button. As you can see, AI bot hasn't let us down. Let's keep going. AI bot assures us that now we should go up. I'm double checking with the fractal and I'm moving forward. I recommend that everyone join our live sessions with this AI bot. First, it's much safer than going it on your own. Second, it's the fastest way to expand your opportunities and keep growing them every single day. Once again, AI bot didn't let me down. No errors from it so far. Let's move on to the final trade for today. Since everything is going so smoothly today, we can safely turn off our brains and rely entirely on the bot's intelligence. Now it says I should go up, following orders. By the way, what do you think? Could AI take over humanity? Or is that impossible? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I would love to read them. And that's it. Our total results for today, 5,806. Not bad at all. And I barely had to put in any effort myself. Just perfect. Let's take a moment for some serious thoughts. At the beginning, I joked that robots might replace me soon and that I wouldn't be needed as a trader. But this bot is built on my experience. It uses it as a foundation and works on top of it, with a lot of algorithms of course. It's like I created the perfect partner for myself. You see, a trader and a bot together can accomplish much more than either one can on their own. I'm just starting to figure out what I can do with it and how to get the most out of it. I'm going to hold off the sharing the details, but I'm really excited about the possibilities. Expect a lot more awesome, new and unique content with the bot. The most effective way to not miss out is to subscribe to my Telegram. It's where you'll find links to the bot, news about it, live sessions, trading insights and strategies. I could record another 20-minute video about my Telegram, but it's better if you just subscribe. The link is in the description. See you soon for more trading. I promise not to disappear for long, but you know where to find me.